Bacolod City. Ang tema natin ngayong gabi, pagiging kaagapay. At dito sa Barangay Takuling, Bacolod City, ang ating larong Alan Pia Pick bilang isang masayang paraan ng pagkakaisa. Panurin natin kung paano ang isang simpleng laro ay naging pagkakataon para sa tuwa, samahan at tulong sa komunidad.
Maglalaro po tayo ng Alan Pia Pick kung saan mananalo kayo ng 5,000 kapag nanalo kayo at kapag natalo ay 3,000. Game na ba? Huwag na natin patagalin pa! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! At dahil dyan, nanalo ka pa rin ng 3,000 pesos! 1!
Saya!
2! Masaya pa ba ate?
Masaya!
3! Nanalo ka ng t-shirt!
Maraming salamat.
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! 1,000! 2,000! 3,000! May t-shirt tayo, Dad!
Salamat yun.
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! 3,000! 4,000! And 5,000 plus!
Thank you!
Harap ka t-shirt tayo! Okay! Simulan na natin ang laban!
Okay!
Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Alan Pia Pick! Nanalo ka ng 5,000 pesos! 5,000!
Salamat po! Nanalo ako ng 5,000.
Alam mo, Kuya Boy, Al, isa dun sa lagi ko naalala kay Daddy, and I wrote about it in my book, is yung lagi din niyang sinasabi na, never give up. 3 words, never give up. So ngayong start of a new year, 2026, yun din yung reminder ko sa ating lahat. Kasi New Year, normally, lilista ka na naman ng bagong resolution. Pero baka marami ka pang hindi pa tinapos. Last year, the past 3 years, the past decade, tuloy lang. It
Oo.
doesn't have to be a big ceremony. It doesn't have to be something new. Tuloy lang. Kung may good habits ka, congratulations. Tuloy mo lang. So, start with daily good habits. Happy New Year.
I will acknowledge that 2025 was a difficult year. Pareho para sa ating bansa, pareho sa aming personal na buhay. Pero sabi ko nga, acknowledging that it was difficult gives me a different energy. Na ngayong taon na harapin ko, I will do better, I will be better.
May synergy yung sinabi niyong dalawa Kuya Boy, di ba? So sabi mo, acknowledge it. Kahit anong sabihin mo, whether personal level, community level, as a nation, mga OFWs natin, mga businessmen natin, yung outrage na naramdaman sa corruption issues, it's a difficult year. Sabi naman ni ate, di ba? I remembered, kasi sinabi nga niya si Dad, no? Parang sa akin very, very clear na parang pinto yan doorway into something good, yung just before you give up. Kasi storya ni Dad yon na after the first day of bar exams, believe it or not, first day of bar exam, di ba? Everyone knows Dad as kumpanyero. Some didn't know it. He thought he failed the first day of the bar exam. So umuwi siya at medyo nahiya kasi ang tatay niya gusto talaga maging engineer siya kasi mekaniko ang lolo namin. So sabi niya parang, Tay, I think babaksak ako. Hindi na ako papasok next Sunday para mag-exam. Simple sinabi nung lolo ko. Mas gusto ko nang may anak akong nag-fail kaso sa may anak akong quitter. Iisipin mo po, kung hindi niya narinig yan sa tatay niya, no? And he quit, yung buong storya ng isang Rene Compañero Cayetano, wala yon, no?
Yung part 2 noon, when I took the bar exam, after the first exam, sinabi ko din sa daddy ko yun, ayoko na, parang babagsak talaga ako.
1 week before that, nagra-running siya to keep fit, nagka-typhoid siya right before the exam.
Yeah.
So sabi ni Dad, hindi, kunin mo pa rin exam.
So, history repeated itself.
Kuya Boy, ikaw, di ba, sa graduation ng TCU, of course, no one can really feel yung pinagdaanan ng isang tao, but when you were explaining discouragement after discouragement, those trials actually molded you, o kumbaga sa ginto, kung hindi ka dinaan sa apoy, hindi ka mapipurify So ngayon na New Year, you're thinking about your New Year's resolution, I was going to be more positive di ba na, let's look at the problem in the face. Mahirap buhay. Marami at baka mas lumaki pa mga problema. But don't give up, no?
Also, do not forget, not just before a great thing happens, that's when the devil attacks. Huwag kayong matakot to dive into the unknown because that's where God resides.
Many people think that God guarantees na walang masamang mangyayari sa'yo. Pero if you look at this Bible verse, sabi niya, rain will fall, waters will rise up, wind will blow. So, both good and bad people, both makadiyos at hindi, rich and old, healthy, unhealthy, makakaramdam ng bagyo. Ang question, yung foundation mo. If you build on sand, giba ka. If you build on the right foundation, okay ka. This new year, build on solid foundations.
Right. Napakaganda. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
As our father, the late compañero Rene Cayetano would always say, huwag magpaapi, alamin ng batas.
2026 na, pero totoo pa rin na kung may legal na kaalaman, mas mailalaban ang ating karapatan.
Doon tayo sa tama dahil sa batas, wala tayong kawala. See you next week. Dito lamang po sa Cayetano in Action with Boy Abunda.